Okay, this week you're all going to start receiving the new automated daily sales report in your inbox. I've been working with the amazing team, the BI team in Manila of Cecil and Yvonne, on creating this report to replace the current daily sales report that you receive each morning. The reason we're doing that is, one, it's an extremely time-consuming and manual way of reporting every day, and two, building a new automated report will add consistency to not only when you receive the report each day, it's regardless of where I am or what I'm doing for the day. We'll make sure that the report comes through. So each morning, instead of seeing this, you'll get an email in your inbox similar to this one here, and I'll have a PDF attachment to it. So it's the Daily Sales Report Bacardi Martini Australia, and the time here is in Central European time. That just tells when the report was updated. So if you click open the PDF attachment, you'll see hopefully a familiar looking page. It's based on the report you've been seeing each day. And this is a broadcast version, which gives you a snapshot of the domestic results, so excluding GTR, except for where you see GTR on these lines, travel, retail, and GTR. Everything else is domestic, so as you expect to see the report each day. So there's 3 pages to this one. So the first page is your month-to-date results, second page is quarter-to-date, and a third page is year-to-date. So everything's the normal. You've got your regional results at the top and your brand results at the bottom. Now, to get to the filterable report, as you would normally open the Excel, you press this little button here that says Online Version. So if you click that, it'll open up a program, Business Objects. For those who use with us in the Lion days, you'll recognize this as being very close to a system we call Boxy. This is an upgraded, much more powerful version called Webby. All right, so to log in, you've got your username and password as you do when you log into your computer or any other Bacardi-based program. So your username and whichever password you use to get into your computer, and you log in, and from here it'll open up the daily sales report, which will allow you to filter as you do now in the Excel version. Should not take too long to open. Okay, and here we are. Now let's come up a little bit bigger on the screen, so you can actually resize that down in the bottom right hand corner here if you need to. So it's a little bit easier to see on the screen. Okay, so now we can see the same thing. This top section here gives you that regional results screen, and then the bottom we have the brand results. Now we can filter it in the same way on the sidebar here. So if you're not seeing these filter boxes here, just pick the third option down. So 1, 2, 3, third option here, and now you can actually filter by month, and you can filter by region or by customer name. So to give you an idea, so we're currently filtered to July. Let's add in June as well and press OK. And you'll see everything over here will change to filter those 2 results. And then you can also change the customers here. So if we need to add GTR for whatever reason, we can click GTR, or if we need to take a couple of fellas out, we can do the same thing and press OK. So as you can see, very similar to the report you've been receiving for the last couple of years. So you can filter and everything there. Now, don't be afraid, we can also export this out to Excel. So in this top bar at the top above the top of the screen here, you'll see a little icon here. It's looks like a little drive with a pointy arrow going to the right. That's your export button. So if you click on that, you'll see that you can export this out. So it's set to PDF, which is the version you see come in your email, but you can just change that to Excel. Choose the XLSX version. That's the latest version of Excel, and then you can press OK. So what this will do is, depending on what browser you're using, it'll ask you down the bottom whether you want to open or save it. If it's in Chrome, it may open it automatically for you. So if we just press open, we can see there's my old daily sales report. Here we go. Here's the new one here. So what you filtered into that in the Webby report there will come out directly in this report here. So anything you need to export to Excel will come out this way here. So that's a really quick run through of how to use the new daily sales reporting tools. If you do have any questions, let me know, but hopefully you find this very familiar to what you've been using and a little bit more consistent in the timing and way that you receive it. As always, if you do have any questions, please let me know.